அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Hello children, how are you? I hope you are all fine. I am also fine children. Okay, and today we are going to see English subject for second standard. Which standard? Second standard. What subject? English subject. English is easy or tough? Yes, it is very easy subject. Why it is very easy subject? Because we are enjoying when we are learning language. Okay, we are enjoying when we are learning language. So when we learn English language, you must enjoy and learn. Then only it become very easy for you. Okay children, last class I sang you one Dora song no, in Tamil. Shall we sing? Will you sing with me? Very good children. Okay, are you ready? Are you ready to sing? Okay. வாங்க குழந்தைகளே எல்லோரும் ஒன்றாய் படிப்போம், முயற்சி திருவினையாக்கும், முயன்றால் சாதிக்க முடியும். என்ன படிக்க போறோம்? இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்க போறோம். என்ன படிக்க போறோம்? இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்க போறோம். இன்னொரு தடவை என் கூட சேர்ந்து பாடுறீங்களா? வாங்க குழந்தைகளே எல்லோரும் ஒன்றாய் படிப்போம், வீட்டில் இருந்தே படிப்போம், தொலைக்காட்சி வழியே படிப்போம். என்ன படிக்க போறோம்? இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்க போறோம். என்ன படிக்க போறோம்? இங்கிலீஷ் படிக்க போறோம். பாட்டு பிடிச்சிருந்ததா உங்களுக்கெல்லாம்? Do you like this song? Very good children, very good children. Clap your hands now. Clap louder. Very good, very good. Shall we start the lesson now? So we are going to see the first lesson, our sweet home. What home? Our sweet home. There are 10 learning outcomes are there. Okay. Now today we are going to see only 2. So what are they? Read sight words. So you are going to learn sight words today. What words? Sight words. I will tell you what is sight words afterwards. And next we are going to see differentiate big and small things. Big and small things. How to differentiate big things and small things. And today we are going to see this 2 topic. Okay. In your book, page number 77, one word wall is given there. Look at the word wall on your screen. See, there are so many words are there. I am going to spell the words one by one. You repeat the spelling with me again and again. Okay. First one, G-I-V-E, give. O-R, G-O-O-D, good. P-U-T, put. P-U-T, put. Saw, S-A-W, saw. I-F, if அப்படின்னா next T-H-E-M, them. Spell it again. T-H-E-M. Next U-P, up. U-P, up. Next J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. Next S-E-E-C, S-E-E-C, C, O-L-D, old. O-L-D, old. Next T-H-E-N, then. T-H-E-N, then. Spell it again. T-H-E-N. Next one, U-S, us. C-O-M-E, come. Next, see, read the spelling now. Read loudly. G-I-V-E, give. What does mean by give? Give means giving one thing to other. Giving one thing to other person. ஒரு பொருளை இன்னொருத்தரிடம் கொடுக்கிறது தான் give. See in that picture, that boy is giving a gift to the girl, isn't it? Are you watching on your screen? Yes. Very good, children. Give. Spell it again. G-I-V-E. Give. Next. Or. O-or. Or. I already told you, no? Or means alladu. Tamil meaning alladu. See the picture. So, one man is holding in their hands, one is right and another one is wrong. You are supposed to select only one right thing. Okay. So, that means or. Next. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. G-O-O-D. Good. Spell it with me. G-O-O-D. Good. Man is appreciating the another man good. Okay. He is keeping the hand on his shoulder, isn't it? So, when you do good things, your parents will appreciate you. Good boy. When you do your homework regularly, your teacher appreciating you, isn't it? Good boy or good girl. நல்ல பொண்ணு, நல்ல பையன் சொல்றாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் வந்து good. Spell the word again. G-O-O-D. Good. Next. Put. Spell it. Put. P-U-T. Put. What is the word? Say with me. P-U-T. Put. See, in the picture, one boy is taking the waste and putting in the dustbin. So, put. Putna podudal. ஒரு பொருளை எடுத்து இன்னொரு இதுல போடுறது put. Repeat the spelling again. P-U-T. Put. Next word. See. Next word. See. S-E-E. See. See means பார்த்தல். You are all watching TV now, isn't it? You are all watching TV. See, look at the picture. One boy is seeing the fish tank, isn't it? One boy is seeing the fish tank. He sees fish tank. Spell the word S-E-E-C. ஒரு பையன் fish tank பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கிறான். ஆமாந்தானே? Okay. Look at the next word. Saw. S-A-W. Saw. Okay va? Saw. I already told you. Saw. Saw na என்ன? பார்த்துட்டேன். Okay va? நேத்து பார்த்தது நீங்க இங்கிலீஷ்ல சொல்லும்போது S-A-W sawன்ற வேர்டை யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம். The same boy is telling, yesterday I saw fish tank to another girl, isn't it? One boy is telling to the another girl, yesterday I saw fish tank. This is the difference between see and saw. See means பார்த்தல், பார்த்துட்டே இருக்கிறது see. Saw means பார்த்ததை திரும்ப நீ யார்கிட்டனா சொன்னேன்னா அதுதான் வந்து saw. Okay, are you clear? Okay, shall we move to the next one? Next, old. What is the next word? Old. O-L-D. Old. What is the next word? Old. Spell it with me. O-L-D. Old. Next, old man walking with the stick. So, old na enna? வயசானவங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்றது old. Old க்கு இன்னொரு meaning பழைய. Next, up. What is mean by up? I already told you. Could you remember? Could you remember, my dear children? Yes. Up means upstir. What is it? Upstir. See? Upstir. So, the boy is moving to the upstir and walking to the upstir. So, மேலே போயிட்டு இருக்கிறான். அந்த பையன் என்ன பண்ணுறான்? படத்தில் மேலே போயிட்டு இருக்கிறான். So up means மேலே. Next, us. What is mean by us? Us means நாங்கள், நாங்கள், எங்களுடையது அப்படின்னு சொல்றது us. See, 4 persons are there. So it is called as us. நாங்கள், தோல் மேல தோல் கை போட்டுட்டு இருக்காங்க, அதுக்கு பேரு தான் us. Next one, let us do. So there is one exercise in your book, page number 77. Do you all have your book in your hand? Okay, take page number 77 in your book. See, one word wall is there. I already explained, read all the words in that word wall, isn't it? See, one exercise given there. Read aloud and circle the words you see in the word wall. Read aloud, சத்தமா படிக்கணும், and circle the words you see in the word walls. இப்போ நீங்க ஒரு சென்டென்ஸ் படிச்சீங்கன்னா வேர்ட் வால்ல இருக்கிற வேர்ட்ஸ் ஏதாவது அந்த சென்டென்ஸ்ல இருந்தது அப்படின்னா அதை சர்க்கிள் பண்ணணும். So this is your work. Okay, let us see the first sentence. I like them. What is the first sentence? I like, L-I-K-E, like, T-H-E-M, them. In this sentence, which word is given in that word wall? Could you able to find out? Could you able to find out, children? Very good, very good. Which word is given in that word wall? Them. T-H-E-M, them. Them, it's given in the word wall and also in the sentence. So, you supposed to circle them. Next, second sentence, H-E, he was a good old man. H-E, W-A-S, was a G-O-O-D, good, O-L-D, old, M-A-N, man. He was a good old man. So, in this sentence, okay, there are 2 words. It's given in the word wall and also in the sentence. 2 words. Find out. Have you found? Very good, children. Very good. The first word is good. G-O-O-D. Good. And the second word is old. O-L-D. Old. அதாவது word wall-ல இருக்கிற 2 word வந்து இதுதான். G-O-O-D. Good. O-L-D. Old. Next. Third one. I just saw him. I just. J-U-S-T. Just. S-A-W. Saw. H-I-M. Him. I just saw him. Now find out what are the words it's already given in the word wall. Very good, very good. See, saw, S-A-W, saw. Okay, it is given in the word wall. Next, can you see the fish? Fourth sentence, can you see the fish? C-A-N, can, Y-O-U, U, S-E-E, see, T-H-E, the, F-I-S-H, fish. So, what are the words already given in the word wall and also in the sentence? Find out. What are the words given in the word wall? Very good. See, S-E-E, see. Next, fifth sentence. G-I-V-E, give. M-E, me, give me. S-O-M-E, some. J-A-M, jam. Give me some jam. Find out the word that's given in the word wall. Very good, children. G-I-V-E, give. Give is given in the word wall. Next, sixth sentence. Take us to the zoo. T-A-K-E, take. U-S, us. T-O, to. T-H-E, the. Z-O-O, zoo. Take us to the zoo. Find out which word is given in that word wall. Have you found that word? Yes, very good. You, yes. Us. Us is given in the word wall. So, you supposed to circle us here. Next, look at these 6 sentences carefully, children. Did I left anything? ஏதாவது நான் விட்டிருக்கேனா நல்லா பாருங்க. I left one word. I will give you the clue. In the third sentence, I left one word. ஒரு word நான் விட்டுட்டு இருக்கேன். Could you able to find out which word I left? Very good, children. Very good. I left the word just. Very good. I left the word just. J-U-S-T. Just. Just in the word wall is there, but I didn't circle in the exercise. Next, in the tabular column, some words are there and some alphabets in the right side of your screen, isn't it? So, find and circle the words. So, you are supposed to find the words and circle the words in this alphabets. Okay? Shall we do? Are you ready, children? It will be very interesting. இது ரொம்ப இன்ட்ரெஸ்டா இருக்கும் பண்றதுக்கு. நல்லா கவனிங்க. Okay, listen carefully. The first word, spell it with me. G-E-T, get. G-E-T, get. Where is the word? Very good. G-E-T, get is here. Next, second word. Spell the word. S-E-E-C. Find out where is the word here. See, at last it's there. S-E-E-C. Next, give. G-I-V-E, give. Give. It's on the top. Fourth one, M-U-C-H, much. Spell it. M-U-C-H, much. Where is much? See, it's there. M-U-C-H, much. And the next one, M-E, me. M-E, me. Where is me here? Very good, children. M-E, me. Next one, O-L-D, old. Could you able to find out where is old? Very good. O-L-D, old. Old is on the top of the line. O-L-D, old. Next one. O-R, or. Where is or in this? Find out where is or. Very good, children. Very good. O-R, or. Next. T-H-E-N, then. Where is then? Have you found where is then here? Come closer to the screen and find where is then. Very good. T-H-E-N, then. Next. Put. Where is put? P-U-T, put. Find out where is the put. Very good, children. Put is there. Next. T-A-K-E, take. T-A-K-E, take. Find out where is take here. Did you find? Very good, children. Yes, take is here. Next, S-A-W, saw. Where is saw? Very good. Here, S-A-W, saw. Next, C-O-M-E, come. C-O-M-E, come. Where is the word? C-O-M-E, come. Yeah, it's here. Next, J-U-S-T, just. J-U-S-T, just. Where is just? See, it's here. Next, B-Y, by. Could you able to find out where is by in these alphabets? Very good, children. It's here. B-Y, by. Next, last, F-O-R, for. Where is for? Find out where is for. Here. F-O-R, for. Next one, T-O, to. T-O, to. Last word, children. Last word. Where is to? Find out. Very good, children. It's here. T-O, to. Very good, children. You found nicely. Okay, and you did the exercise nicely. Clap your hands now. For you. Okay, for you. You're supposed to clap your hands for you. And I too also clap my hands for you. Okay, next. Circle time. Let us talk. So, it's a time to talk. See, look at the picture. What is that one? Tell me. Yeah, very good, children. Rat. What is this? Rat. How to say this in a sentence in English? Very good, children. This is a rat. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a rat. R-A-T, rat. This is a rat. Okay. Next. What is the name of this picture? What is the name of the animal with a long neck? The animal with a long neck. It has very long neck. Tell me the name. Very good, children. The name is giraffe. What is the name of the animal? Giraffe. This is a giraffe. This is a giraffe. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Next. What is this? Very familiar. Very good, children. Dog. What is this? Dog. How to say? இது dog அப்படின்றது இங்கிலீஷ்ல எப்படி சொல்லணும்? Very good, children. Very good. This is a dog. T-H-I-S. This I-S is a dog. D-O-G, dog. This is a dog. Very good. Look at the next picture. What is this? Yeah, it's a pig. How to say the pig? This is a pig. Okay. Look at this snake. How to say? This is a snake. Next one. What is the name of this picture? Yes, elephant, yanai. Okay. What is the name of the animal? It's a very big animal, isn't it? So it's a very biggest animal. So what is the name? An elephant. This is an elephant. Now, what is this? Very good, children. This is a rat. Next one. What is this? This is an elephant, isn't it? This is an elephant. Your question is the rat small or big? Is the rat small or big? What's your question? Is the rat small or big? Now, what is the answer? Yes, the rat is small. The rat is small. An elephant is big. What about the elephant? An elephant is big. Next, look at the picture. Dog. This is a dog. Next, giraffe. What is it? Giraffe. Now, your question is the dog tall or short? Your question is the dog tall or short? So, how dog looks? Very good, children. It's very short animal comparing to giraffe. So, the dog is short. What about the giraffe? The giraffe is tall. The dog is short and the giraffe is tall. Next, snake. What is it? Snake. S-N-A-K-E, snake. And next one, pig. P-I-G, pig. And your question is the snake fat or thin? Is the snake fat or thin? And what is the answer? The snake is thin. The snake is thin. Thin na snake olliya irukum. Comparing to pig. Pig eppadi irukum? Konjam fat gunda irukum. Snake vandu olliya irukum. The snake is thin. And the pig is fat. The pig is fat. Now, it's a time for practice. So, on your screen, there are two things are there. One is tree, banyan tree, and the another one is a small plant. Now, tell me, what is this? This is a tree. What type of tree? The tree is big. The tree is big. What about the plant? The plant is small. The tree is big. The plant is small. Next one boy is there and one girl is there. So compare that. The boy is tall. The boy is tall and the girl is short. The girl is short. Next one. There are two things, book and kite. What about the book? The book is thick. The book is thick. And the kite is thin. The kite is thin. So this is your practice session. Shall we say one more time? The tree is big. The plant is small. The boy is tall and the girl is short. The book is thick and the kite is thin. Very good, children. Very good. Next. Seeing on the screen, the elephant. The elephant is, the rat is. And your question is, which is big and which is small? The elephant is big and the rat is small. The elephant is big and the rat is small. Next, look at the picture. The boy. The boy is, and the next one is the girl. Okay. Now, your question is, who is short and who is tall? The boy is tall and the girl is short. Next one, the book is. The book is and the kite is. Your question, thick or thin? Which thing is thick and which thing is thin here? The book is thick and the kite is thin. The book is thick and the kite is thin. Very good, children.